Now, if a person were to take an exposure in defense theme, before I move on, this is not a stock advice or this is not an investment advice. I'm just telling you that if you were to take an exposure in the defense theme, what could be the different ways and means? Possibility number one, you could invest directly in stocks, but for that, you will have to have a good knowledge about stocks. You will have to do fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and based on your research, based on valuations, you will have to take a final decision. If you don't want to do that, one option is defense ETFs, where it requires almost zero expertise because we are talking about investing in the entire defense index per se. Okay. The third one could be defense mutual funds. And here again, there could be three subtypes. One could be like an active mutual fund in the defense space. Second one could be a passive fund. And third one could be an FOF. Now, what happens in an active fund is that the fund manager will actively be involved in choosing stocks, which one looks lucrative right now, which has good valuations, which has a good order book, and a fund manager will decide which stocks should be bought, which should be sold. If I'm talking about a passive defense mutual fund, no active involvement of the fund manager is involved. The defense index as is tracked and is invested into by the fund manager. The third one is fund of funds, where investment will be directly done in defense ETFs. Now, are there certain examples? Obviously, yes. You can check the examples on screen. There are some examples for ETFs, also for the index for mutual funds. So, index mutual funds.